Pilipino. Ako si Sara Duterte. Tatakbo bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Syukran.
Into the darkness, your loving kindness, to the shadows of my soul. Yo, what's up happy people? Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Naku po, formal na pong biniklara ng ating Vice Presidente na si Sara Duterte na tatakbo siyang President this coming 2028 election, mga boys, mga gayas. So yan po mapapanood natin sa video ito. So without further ado, let's begin.
For a long time, I questioned the weight of responsibility to my family, to my country, to everyone who called on me. Today, I have peacefully accepted that my life is unlike any other. Sa unang mga buwan ng aming mga termino, nakita ko na ang kawalan ng katapatan ni Bongbong Marcos Jr. sa mga pangakong binitawan noong kampanya, pati na sa kanyang sinumpaang tungkulin para sa bayan. Dahil hindi ko kinaya na maging bahagi ng 2025 national budget na tadtad ng katiwalian, pinili kong umalis sa kabinete kahit alam ko na mula pa noong 2023 na ang magiging kapalit ay ang aking impeachment. Mga kababayan, humihingi ako ng paumanhin. Patawad kung tinulungan ko mahalal si BBM bilang Pangulo ng ating bansa. I cannot kneel before each and every Filipino to beg for forgiveness. Instead, I offer my life, my strength, and my future in the service of our nation. Mga kababayan, ibalik natin ang tapang at malasakit para sa Diyos, sa bayan, at para sa bawat pamilyang Pilipino. Ako si Sara Duterte. Tatakbo bilang Pangulo ng Pilipinas. Syukran.
You came this morning, that's still the promise. You've worried about it, began to break out of the silence. The roaring lion declared my grave as a claim on me. To came the morning, that silly promise. You've worried about it, began to break around the silence. The roaring lion declared the grace of gleam on me. Jesus Christ, you're the victory. Whoa, hallelujah, praise the one who said 'cause it's written on me. You have broken every chains. There's a vision in your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like